What's up, ComSci community? I'm back with day number 18 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. So the first thing that I did today was I added the review section, and I tried to do it by adding a Google API that would connect to my cousin's actual Google reviews, but I wasn't able to get that work. A lot of the information that I was finding was just out of date, and there wasn't any simple solution. So instead of wasting too much time trying to figure that out, I instead hard-coded the reviews in the same style as the services. So within the next couple days, I'm going to try and style these boxes up to make them look a lot more like actual Google reviews. And then below the reviews, I'm actually going to add a link just in case they want to check out the rest of the reviews. So the next thing that I did was I added the contact section, and there's still a lot that I'm going to do to style this section up, but I also embedded a Google map, and I thought that was really cool. And then at the bottom I added the copyright section, and that's pretty much it. So the mobile display is actually almost done with the exception of some styling, but all the content is pretty much in there. So the last things that I'm going to have to do is style up the mobile section, and then I'm going to add some breakpoints to make it look good on the various devices, because right now it only looks good on mobile. If I were to view it in a desktop or a tablet form, it really doesn't look so great. So that's really it for today. If you like this video, be sure to like it, Beyonce would appreciate it, and subscribe. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.